Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a open source library where you can actually PDF render your PDF directly in the browser. It's open source JavaScript and HTML library. This is the name of the library, PDFObject.com. This is their website, and you can directly use it in the browser. And we will try to build this application where we allow the user to simply select any PDF file that they want to view in the browser. As you select, and as the file is rendered, you will able to see the live preview of each page, and you can navigate to any page right here. You will see that the PDF file will get rendered right here. So in this easy way, I will show you how to integrate this library. So just create a very simple index.html file. I've given all the source code in the description. So now to get started, just create a simple index.html file, and we just need to include the CDN here of this library. So just after the title, simply paste the CDN, and we are simply including the CDN right here. And then we will just write some basic style sheet code here, and we will just style the body here, and after that we will just make a PDF preview, and we will style this margin top to 20 pixel, height of the PDF here is 600 pixel, and a border of 1 pixel solid, this gray color. So that's all the styling which is needed, and then we will just have an h2 tag here, and we will allow the user to select a PDF file, and then we will simply have an input type is equal to file, and we'll only be accepting PDF files. So file input, and let me just make it required. So then we will have a div tag where we will just give it an ID here to this, where we'll be storing the PDF preview. So PDF preview right here, and you'll say your PDF will appear here. So after this, you just write the JavaScript code here, and inside the JavaScript here, you just target this element here which we have given that ID. We will add a event listener to it. So we are targeting this file input right here, and we on change event handler. So this callback function will execute. So right here we will get access to the file here by e.target.files. After getting access to that file, we will simply compare, or we can directly write, we can read the file here by this file reader constructor which is available for every browser, and it contains this onload function, and from this we will simply be getting the base64 URL of this PDF file e.target.result, and then it actually contains, using this library, and it contains this method embed, and using this base64 code PDF data URL. So wherever you need to embed, we need to paste the ID here. So we have given this ID here, PDF preview. You just paste this ID here, PDF preview. So that's all that we need to do, and just after this we just need to invoke this function reader.read as data URL, and just pass the file here. So this completes the application, and if you open this application in the browser, you see this choose file button, and as soon as you select the PDF file, you will see the PDF file will display. It is saying that on this line number 34, Okay, I think here in this line number. So all the source code is given in the description. So if you just select, and for this, all the source code is given in the description, guys. You can go to my blog post and copy paste the source code, and as soon as I select it, you will see the file will display. You can go to any page right here. So this is actually the library PDFObject.com, and we basically showed you a simple example of rendering this PDF directly in the browser. And also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.